If you want to work with automations, then there's a built-in power-up inside of Trello known as Butler, which is there on by default. So if I were to go into Butler right here, you can see that I have some suggestions for the task that I keep on doing in automated tips. But here we're going to create everything manually, so we're going to look at the rules section over here in this lesson. So once we go into the rules section, we can create a rule. And once we create a rule, we'll have to add a trigger. So let's say, for example, if I do something, something happens automatically. So I'm just going to click on add a trigger right here. So let's say, for example, when a card is added by me, that is, if the card is added by me, then what happens is that the card should be assigned to someone. Let's say, for example, if the card is added by me, so this is the trigger. When a card is added to the board by me, what happens? A member is assigned. Let's say, for example, the member TutuTube21 is added. And let's say I want to assign this to myself as well. So this is going to be TutuTube as well. So both of the members will be assigned. And let's say I want to add the label as well. So I want to add in a label as in progress as well once I add in the card. So when a card is added to me to the board by me, so if it is added by others, this doesn't happen. Both of the members will be assigned and the yellow in progress label to the card will be added. So I want to accept this. I'm just going to press save right over here. And once I press save, I'm going to close this. So let's try that out. So I'm going to add another card and I'm going to say test Butler, okay, for tutorial, just like this. And I'm going to click on add card. And now let's see what happens. So I've added in, but what happened is that as I didn't do anything manually here, TutuTube 1 and 2 has been assigned. And you can see that it's in progress now. So that is the label which has been assigned. I can add another card over here as well. So I'm just going to type in test, add card. And once I leave my mouse, what happens is that the butler takes in charge and adds in the other task for me. So if I were to go over here, type it in, that's what happens. And that is how you can use the Butler rule inside of Trello. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.